Hey guys, it's Paul John, the Smoky Mountain RC. We got the Freewing Eurofighter 6S version.
Oh yeah.
SMC 6000 pack. We're gonna get her up and get her going. Finally got this thing going right.
Pretty bird. We just done a flight with it and the F-16 guys, and they look sweet together. Oh, they look sweet. Oh yeah. There it is. Sorry guys, I was trying to find her. Oh yeah, got the clouds in the background. At least we can see what is going on with it. If I can keep up with it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm hitting 3 here in just a second. Oh, you in the trees. That's what you was doing this morning too. You about hit them 3 or 4 times this morning, man. I was like, wow. Well guys, I don't know if I got it completely, but
Dang, bro. I thought I was in front of them.
I think, guys, it's right.
Can you see it? I thought I was in front of them.
Right above my finger, a little gray spot there. I don't know if that's it or not, but that's way up there too. That's like way up there, dude.
Oh yeah.
That's like higher than what this was.
There ain't no getting that.
Well, guys, the trees have eat another plane from here. That's what, 3?
Yep.
2 or 3? Yeah, guys, I don't know if that's it or not, but it's right in that vicinity, right in through here.
Can you tell me about where it is?
You see where that big tree, doesn't throttle go in channel 3? Oh. Doesn't throttle go in channel 3 on the spectrum? Jim's asking me.
1. Alright guys, there we have it. So we're gonna see if we can't maybe go look this thing later, but they probably won't be no getting that because it's it's way up there. But anyway, guys, till we do it again, stay fine and God bless. If you want this plane to be leaning, screaming like always. So bye.